How are you doing? I hope you're well. Today I'm excited to show you a restock of some great paper pads in the shop. I also want to give you a coupon code that's valid until April 30th. You can use Rose15. You can use that coupon code to pick up your exclusive craft kit for our upcoming virtual retreat. There's still time to grab this kit and get it in time for the retreat. These are shipping now. I want to go over what's inside this kit really quickly so you can go ahead and order that so you have it in time for the retreat. The retreat is May 17th and 18th. It's a 2-day weekend filled with fun tutorials taught by 7 different designers. I am teaching one of the classes and we're making a super cute gift bag with coordinating little note cards, and these are so cute, guys, and you're going to be amazed how easy we can put this together. So I hope you'll join us. If you're not registered already, I will have a link in the description box for you so you can register. You'll get some emails introducing each designer. You'll also get an email with your class instructions. So I just want to show you what's in here really quick. You can grab this kit, or if you need extra paper, ephemera, enamel dots, I have all the leftovers listed individually on the website under the Cottage Rose Retreat category. Here's all of our wonderful instructors. I can't wait for this retreat. We will be also doing a kickoff party on May 16th at 1 p.m. Central Time. So I hope you'll join me for that. We're going to have a lot of fun. So in your kit, you get a bloom word die. You get some sparkling enamel dots that match the whole collection. You get your Cottage Rose ephemera pack. You get your Cottage Rose 6x6 paper pad with bonus sentiments on the back. The colorful linens paper pad is an add-on, so if you want to add that onto your kit, there's a drop-down menu for that. And then the 6x6 beautiful clear stamp set is so cute and fun with all these cottage images. And we have a coordinating die that will cut that out. So I also have the stamp and die listed as a little bundle. And then this chicken wire stencil is super fun. Add some texture to your projects. So that is the kit. What a gorgeous kit that is. So check the description box to find all the links. Now these are the papers that I have restocked. The Cottage Blooms card fronts. This one is such a favorite. It's got some sentiments on the back that you can cut out. The prints in here are so pretty, so shabby chic. These will make you some quick cards. You just add them. They're perfectly sized for an A2 size card base. You get 2 of each. They're single-sided. You can add your sentiments. You can add some more images, or just, you know, leave it plain and simple. So pretty. Look at that shed. I love that. That beautiful dress. The Grunge and Grit paper is back in stock, so now you can get this individually. I do have a few bundles left if you wanted to grab the bundles. The bundles do come with the ephemera and some enamel dots and a really cool fishing and outdoorsy stamp set. Let me show you some cards really quick. So here are a few cards that I created with the bundle. There's some great enamel dots that coordinate with this as well, that come in the bundle. Absolutely awesome. I love that bundle. It really helps making masculine cards a breeze. So we've got the watercolor roses, 6x6 paper pad. This is really pretty, really shabby chic. The images in here are so cute, and that ephemera that matches the images in here is sold out, so that is gone for good. But if you get this paper pad, you still get those cute little pink birthday critter images, and you get 4 sheets of those. So this is a very, very pretty paper pad. Delicate roses, watercolors, some glitter. So pretty. I restocked the Love Cats paper collection. We do have the coordinating ephemera, which is really cute. Those little cats in there are adorable, and they are featured in the paper pad as well. Look how cute those kitties are. In this paper pad, you get 4 of each design. Some red glitter, some pink hearts. Those adorable cats. I love this one with the cute little cats inside the heart. It's just a really cute paper pad. And that one says, I love you. Cute little paw prints, some gold hearts. Fresh Start. I love the colors in here. This soft green is so pretty. The matching ephemera is also available for this one. Look at the beautiful books with the florals. The clock, the alarm clock, the vintage clock. A beautiful landscape. Just a really nice, fresh paper pad. Look at that. Some solids in there for matting. So pretty. And then a lot of the ephemera, we have like planner images. I just want you to take a little peek of the ephemera. Some cute little planner books. Look at that cute little dog with a tie on. There's some people in here. Little cozy scene. Really, really cute. Little typewriter. Window scene. Little laptop. Tracy from our design team did a stunning card with us. If I can find that photo, I will post it up. We've got the Warm Winter Wishes. This one is super cute. I love the images in here. They're adorable, these little bunnies. And then the plaids are very, very unique in this paper pad. It's got like a vintage vibe. So not your typical plaid pattern. And then there's some poinsettias in there. Look at these bunny rabbits. They are just so cute. You get 4 of these. Aren't they adorable with those glasses? There's some trees on the back. So, so, so pretty. Sunflower fields. This is such a pretty one. It's going to go beautiful with summer projects. The Sweeter Than Sugar. Some of you guys wanted this one in stock to match your pet tape, the lemon gnomes. It goes so well together. Look how cute that is. Look how cute this goes together. The colors are perfect. The fresh lemon images go so perfect with these lemon gnomes. You can find the pet tape under the pet tape section. That's Sweeter Than Sugar. And then there is coordinating ephemera that goes with the Sweeter Than Sugar paper pad if you wanted to get ephemera for that. It's got some really cute images in here and some little cutout images that you can add to a card or use as tags or something like that. But there's these like sweet little girls with lemonade, and so cute, like the little cupcakes, the little lemonade images. These little waffles are adorable. So that's just another fun little set. So thank you guys for stopping on by. Don't forget that Rose 15 for 15% off your order will end on April 30th. So you could use that on your retreat kit and anything else in the shop. Right now, the free with 60 is a pack of enamel dots, and you can get free shipping on orders over $75. So I will see you all soon in the next video. Thanks so much for supporting the shop, guys. It really does mean a lot. And I really do appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you real soon. Take care, guys.